Hey guys, what's up? So I'm going to show you I have two Nerf guns, and I'm going to show you some of the best Nerf guns for under $15. This video is actually going to be under $10. So the first one is a Joint Elite Nerf gun. It is super powerful, if you can hear. It's super powerful, and it shoots super good, as you can see. Let me just shoot it right over here. Very good Nerf gun that you can use for just a single shooter. Really good single shooter. So the next Nerf gun that I have is the Triad 3EX Elite. So it has 3 slots. Very powerful. It's goes up to 90 feet. And so white version. Now, so what you're going to do is you're going to put 1 bullet, 2, and 3. And those Jolt Nerf guns, they're for $4. So yeah, you should definitely get those on Amazon. This one came for $6.97. And you can really do good rapid fire. So, yeah, that's a really good Nerf gun too. So, those are my top 2 best Nerf guns under $10. And so, yeah. Peace. Are you